viewers, welcome to our channel Crochet for Lovers. So viewers, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friend, today we'll share with you the very beautiful crochet embroidered basket designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel Crochet Lovers, and also make sure to follow, be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to your pupil in the. If you like today videos, and share it with to your friends and family members. You can many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself, and if you are guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy that you like my videos, and good comment please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful to take people who are subscribed to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear, take care, God bless you.